Hi everyone, do you want to master NestJS in the right way from basics to real world architecture without paying anything? Hi everyone, I'm Tarun and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to announce a very special course which is free. Initially, I thought of publishing this on Udemy, but then I thought let's make it free for everyone. In this course, we are covering NestJS from zero to hero, from beginner to advanced level in 2026. This course is perfect if you are a Node.js developer moving to a NestJS developer preparing for advanced learning on the NestJS, building a scalable APIs. The best part is this course is almost free and it's not like any other course because I already published half of this. I'm covering some advanced bits of it. The only thing is the location is not this my channel. I will share the playlist of that playlist and I will share the link with you. From there, you can start learning all about NestJS.